Checking out today. We are checking out Signature Solar out of Texas. Signature Solar has this panel on sale for $279. And when I say panel, I mean panel support, a ground support. Now I called them on Monday. These guys were awesome. They actually got it shipped on Monday. It came in 2 packages. One will be here tomorrow and one is here today. We're going to get a look at that right now.
What's going on? Dennis is destroying my garden. Oh boy. Look what he's doing. A big hole. 1, 2, and then he's gonna do one right there where my tomato plant is. It's sunflower. And he's gonna do another one here. I gotta watch this.
Is that right in the middle?
You probably, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. You're probably gonna kill the roots.
I've been breaking rocks all morning.
Why?
Well, I had to go shopping and then go break some rocks.
Why?
Because they were blocking me from getting a deeper hole.
Oh. And he needs a couple more inches to get 2 feet, right?
Yeah.
2 feet. And the other ones are in the ground.
And I had to go buy this bar.
Oh, look at that bar.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm getting too old for this.
That's your
That's my gym.
your gym.
I didn't have to pay for a
You
gym.
weightlifter. So, yeah, look at to get in the hole and get some of that dirt in there. These are the posts. I wish he would do this for my garden, like a nice trellis gazebo for my plants.
Yeah.
He just laughed. And I'm hoping this tomato makes it. It has some tomatoes in here. Okay, I wasn't home. And I just came home, and this is the how far Dennis is. He's been working hard on his project. Now he's getting ready to pour the cement. Those bags of cement are very heavy. We got all 4 posts. No, 3. Still 1 not there in the hole. And but this one here is the one.
Well, it looks like it's starting to be a trellis or a what's the one? Arbor. You can make a little arbor here, and you can stand underneath the solar panels.
Oh no, he's cutting my mango tree. Oh no, I feel like crying. Oh, baby.
I fixed it. Okay, this is a wooden support. It's an arbor for the garden. The plants are going to grow on here and fill in all the empty areas. And we have heavy bracing for high winds. We have 1/2-inch steel rods crisscrossing 3 sides of this little structure here, so that when the wind blows, it won't be able to skew the building and knock it over. So it's cemented in the ground. We got knee braces all across the top to make it stay square. We're going to try them out today. We got them on this rack. I ended up buying a different rack, and I've been working on it all week. And here they are mounted on the rack. We're going to hook it up to the Bluetti. It's a cloudy day, sunny, cloudy, but we'll see how it's going to go. So I'm liking how it turned out. We'll have to see. It should be 28 degrees for the sun, which is a combination good for summer and winter. It needs less on summer, more on winter. But here they are, and they are tightened down. And so this is the way I supported the structure so that it wouldn't skew in the wind. We have 1/2 inch rod going down to the bottom on all 4 corners except for the front corner. We have hurricane straps from here to the bottom of that support right there, which that support's not, it doesn't need another strap, but for me I wanted to do it better. So we have 1/2 inch bolts holding the rack to the mount, and you can see the strength there in the 4 inch in the bolts with a 4-inch strap. Again, we have hurricane straps holding to the bottom of the rack, 1/2 inch rod, 1/2 inch bolts. Everything's tied together with anchor straps to make it stronger, and of course the tomato plants make it twice as strong. We just got our solar panels hooked up to our Bluetti. We got the Bluetti in here. It has picked up from 95% to 97%. We're bringing in 670 watts, and we have 380 to 600 watts going out, but we are gaining instead of losing. We have the window air conditioner is cooling off the master bedroom. So the Bluetti is running the window air conditioner 100%, and it's still gaining from the solar, from the sun. So we're getting free air conditioning from the sun today.